Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kilai ngut ki Kyrtong jong Ranikor Constituency ki bakin Thep ya arngut ki Kyrtong shimet but uway ne kaseng TMC. Mentakasngi ka hanyo tarik upanay rempang arajar arpulai kabade kasngi khaddo jong kajing Thep Kyrteng. Kilalait ban Thep Kyrteng yala de hakmat ki returning officer hapo ka office trekam jong deputy commissioner ka Southwest Khasi Hills district nakabenta banya aireng haga election ka ban salong haga arpo hanyo tarik upanay rempang arajar arpulai. Kini ki laingut ki Kyrtong ki bawan Thep Kyrteng ki kentom ya bichitro hajong Kyrtong shimet savio prangsni dekhar Kyrtong shimet mat uting sim ji moment Kyrtong keseng TMC.
Keperluan yang yang kena election menyakun kadai baik ningkong fast ngawan rakyat kena ke TMC makwa ban roi ban par ka ibang salang koi ka kia akadong ka tan kamtam ka Ranikor Constituency hari pause kidon gini kam kijam bangidon jing thut jing wet pat ban kra yang i ka bai sniu tengam kwa bangan boy ka bas sniu ban ngai lam ya ki paiba ha ka jing jot bat ka jing long chakri jong no pan long nong tong jong no han rei menta ngami na ka TMC kan yeng kum Kyrtong simet jong ka independent kanang manin yo ya kata manin yo ka jing lai lut ka bakut ka basuba ka batikna basirta ka jelawe jong ki jai panriu baro khamtam ki bab dangkha dangpun na he dangsan akwa ban kin yeng no rem la ka jong ti kejat jong ki om dei ban lek chakri haying jong no na ka liang jong ko pa ba map yang bangala ka kanbas CP ban ngala pentip CP hakini ki benai ki beladap kum Kyrtong jong TMC hari ngaperkat kinai yang kalat klenti dengan trihok yuduk usuk orang li juki ukup siliang usam siliang hanrei endang lalap kalong menman kumbangi le bisnes penban dei nak takadau ko pajba topej pi sawa pinjit yano riano uno Kyrtong ne ka parti to danyo pada theo krang pan pinyo panlaj naka jing sitom pat ka jing long chakri long merau hano lada ki paiba ki stu pan ki laj nak kinyo baro ngadon ke jing kermen abang ngalamut mangan syong mangan ladu jing kermen mangan yo ka tiket ne pan ngan yo fai nim mission henry ki paiba kim ailat yang mangan syong kim ailat ki ong yang kum piu de urang terwa urang kansai urang ri urang pawar to ya lam yang i sia ka jing sai te kata kadau ngayeng biang
Dia duk mentak ka sembol bakila.
ya pa mentang ngajit kakaling kali pat akasaitar.
I want to contest election because this Ranikor constituency is very backward in the field of education. In the health center, like hospital, dispensary is very bad, and this like agriculture, in the sector of agriculture also not good. It's very poor, and that one was called that like very because when we get the education in the Ranikor constituency, then only it will develop because education give knowledge, and that when we will get the knowledge, then people will be already they will develop because in Ranikor constituency there is no higher secondary school and no college. That's why we are very undeveloped. Better when I pass this means MLA, then first I'll do that. I'll bring that college, higher secondary. Then I'll develop this agriculture sector and this horticultures and so many others issues are there like roads, road communication also not good, and this like network also not so good. Yeah, we're not getting internet there, not getting this like 4G. It is very difficult for us for internet. No? I supposed to get that BCP ticket also, but they have rejected me in the last moment because already I have done so many work in the field of the BCP, and many people they like me and I have done many villages, I have conducted many meetings in the party of BJP, but last moment they have rejected me in the last moment. But I'm very sad for that, no problem. But still, I want to contest because I want to serve to the people of the Ranikor constituency, and I want to bring development for the Ranikor constituency. I'll be success because I hope that, I believe that, and I believe to the public also, and this, my supporters, they love me, they support me, and I hope that I'll success.
Tia songjok bersih kola cirang ongjok liba mamu development dongja saksa school nok rama jalang mamung ba dongja uni gemen anga kangkari kai antang dalo anga Ranikor 35 konstituo Kyrteng meni gemeng asong jatna public na nama kamko dakchina ar nama ko anga kagen uni gemen anga dalo kangkari kai aro anga bersih kola cimang donga anga ya maiba Ranikor konstituo uni gemen anga dalo Ranikor konstituo Kyrteng anga kangkari kai ammen anga chononi jangi thonga tahu kita MLA bersih kola ciong puljok uni kusepo da mamung develop dongja school ba dongja rama jalang dongja ICS MCS officer ba dongja saksa ukil ba dongja after 30 years mamung dongja development uni kum rama jalang tharema mena border area mandi de kali business ka ba dongja qualification ko mandi dongja uni kum barang cioli chagpa mandi san banga uni kum ya ko anga nami dakna ar nami string khana ar nami khamko khana ni anga talo kangkari kai Ranikor 35 Ranikor anga Kyrteng. Thank you maktela.
Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pensawa lawan kapor ka jingkela rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pensawa lawan kapor ka jingkela